All right, so with the introduction of the iPhone 15, Apple decided to get rid of leather. I'm not sure if you recall the Mother Nature ad that Apple did with Octavia Spencer, but it was definitely an interesting ad to say the least. But during that period, Apple got rid of anything associated with leather from the Apple Store and their online store. Now, I've been buying the Apple leather case since I want to say the iPhone 5 or maybe even the iPhone 5S. But I was definitely excited to try out this new fine woven case. Now, initially, a lot of content creators, influencers, and YouTubers were just bashing this case, but I was not in that camp. But now I do think that I am in that camp. Simply because how the case has held up since I've had it since the iPhone 15 launch back in September of 2023. Now, if you look here in the video, there's this thin film that goes around the case uh, itself that it's actually starting to peel off. So I'm not really sure what that's all about, but it does really bug me. And I will say out of the box that this case is amazing, but over time, it just doesn't wear well. So I would suggest if you're interested in picking up this case, it's definitely something that you want to consider. With that said, uh, there was a post on X or Twitter from Ksu to me. I think that's the name. Who explained that Apple has actually stopped production of fine woven accessories due to the poor durability, and Apple may be moving on to another non-leather material for its premium accessories in the future. So that's going to be interesting to see when the iPhone 16 comes out. But at this point, is it's just a rumor, so take it for what it's worth. Otherwise, with that said, if you have any questions about 501 cases and how they hold up over time, don't hesitate to leave the comments below. Otherwise, if you like the video, don't be a stranger. Go ahead and subscribe because I got more amazing videos coming your way. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys in the next one. Later.